Hello, viewers. Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year's to all of you. So, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is a general reading for Leos for the month of January 2021. This reading includes all the 4 weeks of January. So, let's see what cards have to say. All right, Leos. So this is your energy of the month. That is the Five of Swords. I see a little bit of deception here, and maybe someone has tried to hurt you, and they are feeling good about it, and you are just feeling sad because that someone was close to you, you trusted that person. So that kind of an energy I see here. Moving towards the first week, the cards are Three of Swords reversed, Ten of Pentacles reversed, and Page of Swords reversed. I see here some kind of a partnership, some kind of a it could be related to love, that maybe it was not working, the relationship was not working because of some third person, but I feel that things have started healing in that front. Though I don't see a lot of improvement at family front, you were trying to start something new, you needed clarity, and that clarity is still not here. So it is getting difficult for you to trust your partner. It is getting difficult for you to even keep yourself secured financially. That is what I see in the first week. Moving Before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. The second week cards are Knight of Wands reversed, Knight of Cups, and the Four of Cups. So again, I feel here that whatever has happened, that has shaken you a little bit, and you are sad. Life seems to be a little unstable for you, and though because you are Leo, obviously you have not stopped, you are still moving, but you are moving very very cautiously. You want to keep your emotions intact, you don't want anybody else to hurt you again, so you are just taking care of yourself, you're taking care of your emotions, you're not trusting anybody else to handle your emotions, and deep down maybe you are still so sad that you're not open for the new opportunities. You're just thinking about what has happened, you're sad, or and but I would suggest in the second week you might get an opportunity from the universe. So keep your eyes and ears open. You This opportunity is going to be good for you, and it is going to give you a lot of happiness and satisfaction. So please, whenever this opportunity comes, do grab it. Moving towards the third week, the cards are Five of Wands, Justice card, and Nine of Pentacles card. So I believe here that you have been struggling again. The struggle card I can see here, where you are struggling. You are trying to prove some point to other people. These people could be at your workplace. These people could be in your family, relatives, anybody. And you are right. And let me tell you, someone from this group, whosoever is trying to attack you here, is not playing fair. So you are just trying to prove something to other people. You are literally, if it is, obviously it's not a physical fight, but there is some kind of a conflict where the people are just trying to put you down, and you are trying to stay there strong and fighting. And trust me, by this week justice will be served. If you have not done anything wrong and you are right at your part, the other people will get the answers, and they will, hopefully they will stop troubling you after that. So justice will be served. If there is some kind of a court case going on, things will be in your favor most probably. And even I think it will be in your favor. If it is related to some property or something, you are going to win, you are going to get a good share of it, and you will be happy, you will have enough to serve yourself and other people as well. So that's for the third week. For the fourth week, the cards are the Empress, Five of Pentacles reversed, and Ace of Wands. So, if there was any kind of a trouble going on related to money or some physical illness, either you or your partner or someone in your family that is going to start improving. New things are going to open up for you. It can also be a good news related to childbirth. So if you are planning for a childbirth, or you are um, planning to be a mother or a parent, anybody, so then it's a good news. You can either deliver a child, or you can conceive in this week. It's a good time. And again, something you might start. So these two cards are pretty strong. I think if you are planning for a child, this week seems to be pretty strong indication for that. And if you are trying to start something new, something of your own, it could be your business, it could be something new that you wanted to start, then this week is going to be very, very good for you. These are the signs which universe are showing you, that most probably by the fourth week of January you are able to start something new, which you will be able to call all yours. So that's about it, Leo. Still, if you have any doubt, you can contact us. Links are given in the description box. And we are also offering 20% off on the personal readings. So if you want to contact us, you are free to contact us. And for the daily readings also, you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. So good luck.